This is your designer host, Brian Tenorio, and we're doing a very special episode for all of you today. Design para sa lahat is doing weddings. Getting married is one of the most memorable and most exciting moments of your life. The celebration of love and commitment. This is one of life's biggest events, and everything needs to be just the right shade of perfect. From hair to makeup, to the ultimate wedding ring and the gown of your dreams, all the way down to reception and the best honeymoon destinations, we're using our designer's eye to plan the perfect wedding for you. We're making the bells ring only here in Design para sa lahat. Makeup is a bride's best friend, and here in Design para sa lahat, in our wedding special, we're chatting about our favorite makeup artists, and one of them is Tony Rodriguez.
Hi, Brian.
So, I mean, when it comes to makeup, what are your techniques or what is your forte? Kasi kanya-kanyang forte yan, hindi lang basta-basta kuha ka ng makeup artist na kung sino lang.
Yes, that's true. One forte that I can say, it's my forte, is makeovers talaga.
Alright. And what other fortes or techniques do you have?
Well, one of my favorite techniques is contouring.
Okay.
Because that's very important, especially with brides, since, you know, may videographer, photographer. So, kailangan hindi blank yung face mo. Because if you don't contour yourself, magiging blank ka. It doesn't look 3D. So, it's better if with the contour.
So, I guess pag round yung face mo, medyo kailangan dagdagan naman ng konting kanto.
Yes, that's true.
So, medyo konting panga, konting cheekbone.
So, that's where the technique of contouring applies, which I learned from my training.
What's your major advice for all your makeup clients to be, and your grooms and your brides who want to have their faces done?
Yes, for the brides, I suggest that you have a trial makeup with your makeup artist a few months before the wedding. That's very important for the makeup artist and for the bride. Kasi like with the bride, if I do a trial makeup on you, if you want 4 looks, like if you bring, Miss Tony, I want this 4 looks. I want to know which looks best. So makikita mo right there kung, okay, I like this look. And for the makeup artist, pagdating sa wedding, memorize na yung face ng bride, diba?
So how do we contact you, Tony?
Yes, you can check my website. It's www.tonyrodriguezmakeup.com, or you can like my page, that's Tony Rodriguez Makeup Artistry in Facebook.